Hello everybody, welcome back to another video from Triteens. My name's Raeed.
And I'm Elise. And today we are going to be making friendship bracelets out of regular string you can find at any craft store. And it should look like the one I have on right now.
So, I'm not very good with bracelets or crafting in general. So that's why we have Elise today. She's gonna help us out, Yeah.
Yes. So I already have some string pre-cut. I cut it so that I can hold it with my right arm and it extends just a little bit past my left clavicle. And that way I can fold it like so and then tie it at the end to leave a little bit of a loop. So the materials you will need to make your friendship bracelet are standard yarn or thread. This is 1 millimeter and this is around 1.3 millimeters. So you can use anything from that range. Then you will need some beads. I like to use these beads. They are just regular craft beads. And then you will need scissors and tape. So the final product should look like this. The loop here is so that once you finish your bracelet, you can just put the bead that you tied at the end through it, and so that way it stays on and it is adjustable. So I already have cut my thread, my string, and it is about a little over a foot. And once you cut it, you want to section it off into the two threads of the same color, like so, and then arrange it in the pattern you would like it.
Okay, so Elise, how does this turn into this over here?
Good question, Raeed. So first, when you want to begin making your bracelet, I take Scotch tape and I tear off just a small piece, and then I put it down onto the little loop, so that way when I pull, it's not going anywhere. So first, you take your first section. For me, it's the light purple. I have the light purple section, the red section, the orange section, and the maroon section. So first I'm going to take the light purple and both strings of the red section, and I'm going to do just a knot over the red string, and then do that one more time. So next I go to the orange string and I do the same thing, putting the light purple over the orange twice. And then of course I repeat the same thing with the maroon. Now the pattern is different. We now have the red section front, then the orange section, maroon, then purple. So we basically are going to do the same thing we did with the light purple, but with the red, pulling it over the orange twice. And then the maroon. And then the light purple.
And they're both twice, right?
Yes, both twice. Now, okay, you can start to see the bracelet, the knots have formed little parts, like in this one. Now, this bracelet's not going to be as thick as this one because I'm not using as many colors, but it should be very similar. Thickness depends on how many sets of string you use. This one I used 6, and this one I am only using 4, but it's still going to be noticeable on your wrist. So again, starting with orange, twice over maroon, and you start, it's pretty simple. And if you do have a little hiccup, you just make sure you fix it before you move on to any other knots, because then it's going to be really hard to fix. Because once you knot it, it's pretty hard to unknot. And now the maroon. So this is the first set. Now you notice the pattern is back to the original of light purple, red, orange, and maroon. So basically you're just going to do this whole process again, exactly the same, until you run out of string.
Meanwhile, hello guys, today we're here as a side quest with Damien with Raeed KARIM's channel. I'm not gonna go up there because I don't know and stuff. Yes. Ooh. As you can see, this is a balloon. This is also balloon. This
Do not go in there.
is a door that I cannot go through. And this is this.
That is monolith.
And this is Damien Woody's phone. Ooh.
Who is that in the background?
Anakin Skywalker crying. Yes, I don't delete that notification.
Aiden Christensen?
Yep. And this. Oh, don't mind this app right here.
Hey, is that DuckDuckGo?
Yes.
What you doing that private searching for, huh?
Yeah. And I apparently have 29 notifications, which I never had before.
I like how none of that got caught on the video.
Let's see what happens if you open Damien Woody's.
NANI? Alright, so now that I've completed the bracelet, I can now untape it. And so we have these extra edges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bead, my craft bead, and I'm going to put it over the extra string. So now that I have it like that, I'm going to tie it on to the bracelet. A little tricky because I didn't give myself a bunch of extra. And I'm going to double knot it for good measure. Alright. So now it is pretty securely on the bracelet, and the bracelet looks small now, but I like to stretch them. That way I can use more or use less thread and save more. And then you have a bracelet, so you can just cut the extra. Oop. And it's a little difficult to put on yourself, but Raeed, would you help me? Alright, I'm holding out my left wrist.
Alright, let's see here. I remember you gave one of these to me at school, but I didn't wear it right. I
You
couldn't
wore it
figure it
right.
out. Yeah. Didn't have the beads.
Yes,
but
it did.
Did it?
Yes. And now you have a little friendship bracelet
Mm-hmm.
that you can wear any time of the year, and that will stay on and is adjustable. So if I wanted it tighter or looser,
Yeah.
yes.
Sometimes it happens that you might not be able to, like, sometimes you might need someone else to help you when you're putting it on, but
Yeah.
eventually, like, it was like, if it's the first time you've been wearing one of them, sometimes it's a little bit hard to figure out, but eventually you'll probably get it.
Friendship.
Yeah.
You have your friend put it on for you.
Yeah, that's why it's called a friendship bracelet.
Yes.
Trust.
Power of friendship.
Trust. Yes. Damien just said that is the power of friendship,
Mm-hmm.
and our cameraman is always right.
Yeah.
So
He's also always alive because
Thank
he's the
you.
cameraman.
thank you for
Thank you
tuning in to the Triteens video where we made this beautiful bracelet. And stay tuned for further videos where Damien will not be giving you vertigo.
Mhm.
All right, bye. Come on. Let's
Bye.
say, "Ah."
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today. Hello everybody, welcome.
It's alright, we can edit this out. Come on.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Elise, and we're gonna be doing some friendship bracelets.
Yes, and you didn't let me introduce myself again.
Oh, okay. Hello everybody, we're here with another video, and today we're here with Elise.
Again, let me introduce myself.
Wait. Just wait. And this is a cameraman, Damien Woody.
All right, we got it. All right, you have to do it in two scenes. Damien's just so happy to have a camera.
Alright, you guys can talk about whatever. This is gonna take a bit.
Bloopers. Do. This is Damien Woody's phone.
Gosh.
You realize there's no audio, right?
Oh crap.
Well, there is audio, but you're gonna sound like a literal.
We're good.
Yo, is this working properly? Bro! This is disastrous.
While you fix the thing, okay. Here's hello everybody. What did you say before we?
Okay, say, hi, I'm Raeed, and I go, I'm Elise, and then you go and just say, today we're gonna, welcome back to another Triteens video, and today, hey, don't move that, and then today we're gonna be making, string friendship bracelets.
Okay,